Good morning, children. We are seeing the chapter energy. The last class we have seen about what is energy and what are different forms of energy, right? What is energy? Energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. Then what are the forms of energy? We have 6 different forms of energy, right? What are 6 different forms? Mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy and electrical energy. Now we are going to see about the next thing is your conservation of energy. What is my conservation? Conservation is nothing but the transformation of how the energy is transformed from one form to another. Right? First we are going to see about the law of conservation of energy. What is law of conservation? It states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That means the energy is cannot be created or it cannot be destroyed. But what can it be? It can be transformed. It can be transformed from one form to another. But it can be transformed from one form to another, right? What is it? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another, right? For example, first is let's take an example of your water dam, right? The water is stored in the dam. The water is stored in the dam. Then what is the energy it is there in that water? It has the potential energy, right? The energy at rest. It is called as your potential energy. Right or not? So when the energy starts moving, that is when the water starts moving, it has the energy, which is your kinetic energy, right? When it starts moving, it has this kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is transformed into electrical energy. Right or not? Right? From the water dams only we are getting the thermal energy, right? From the water we are getting that energy, which is the electrical energy, which we get from the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy is converted to electrical energy by large turbines. What is it called as? Turbines. In the large turbines it rotates, it forms the electrical energy. This is one example. The other example which we can see in our appliance which we use at home, right? For example is your bulb. What is a bulb? What is the main source of energy for bulb? You will give the electrical energy, and when you switch on the light, what will you get? You will get the light. That means that electrical energy is converted into light energy, right, in your bulb. Then what about your TV? When you take TV, what is happening? You will get the light and sound energy, right? Yes or no? When you switch on your iron box, that electrical energy is converted into heat energy. So in all the forms, the one energy is converted to another form of energy. Is it clear? The same way you have driving a car, right? When you drive a car, what is the energy there? The main source of energy is your fuel. What is the energy is there in fuel? It is your chemical energy, and the chemical energy is converted into mechanical and electrical energy to drive the car. Is it clear, children? What is conservation of energy? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed only from one form to another. Example is your water dam, other electrical appliances which we use at home, the car. All these things are example of your conservation of energy. Thank you, children.